Hello guys, my name is Fernando Lopez and in this video I'm gonna try to explain you the topic of makefiles in C language. At first I had no idea what a makefile was, so I started to look at videos on YouTube and thought, I still don't get it. This is the same as compiling, but in another way to do it. I didn't know the potential it had and the efficiency it makes. You may be wondering, what is a makefile? Well, pretty much automatically builds an executable file from various pieces of source code that you have. Typically, a makefile may contain two things, variables and targets. There are two types of targets, the old target and the clean target, which I will explain later on. I'm gonna be using the hello make example I have here. We have three small programs. The first one is called hello make, and what it does, it calls a function from another file. Then we have the makefile.h. What it does, it just calls the function myPrintHelloMake. And finally, the hello function.c. And what it does, it prints the hello make files with the function. Normally, you will execute this. You will compile this by executing the code gcc o hello make.c hello func.c I dot. Here we can see it compiles. Hello Clash. This compiles the two.c files and name it hello make. The I dot is included so that GCC will look in the current directory for the include file hellomake.h. Unfortunately, this approach has two downfalls. First, if you lose a compile command or switch computers, you have to retype it from scratch, which is inefficient. Second, if you're making changes to one.c file, recompiling all of them every time is also time-consuming and inefficient. What we want to do is create a makefile which will be helping us to simplify the compilation and not compiling everything every time. Here is the makefile. And this is a target. The target has two parts. The dependency part, that is this one, it's what it needs to make hello make work, and the action. After having these two, this action will be executed. I'm naming the first target hello make because it's the name of the output. Then we have the hello make.o and hello function.o. In the hello make.o, it says every time you change the hello make.c, you will be executing this code. What this c does, it compiles the .c but does not create an object, just make so the computer can understand it. And by default, it keeps the name hello make and put an .o at the end. Remember I said the word target? Different types of targets? Well, these are targets that makes the old target, and this is the clean target. The clean target is used so we can have a way to remove all the previous functions. It is necessary to have this tab because otherwise it won't be able to read the makefile. Now we're gonna try it. After removing the hello make, now we can see there is just 4 elements. Now we just call the make, and we can see it calls the 3 actions we have in the makefile. This one, and also this one. Now if we look in the elements, we can see we have the hello function.o and the hello make.o. We also have the hello make, which is. Other thing about makefiles is that every time you try to change one program, it just compiles. We can see it. Great. Now, if we're going to try to do the clean to remove everything and do it again? Well, first we're gonna do the make again. So if we do it again, what it says is that just the hello function change, and we have to make this one again. Now we can see and now it says the credits. If we call the make function again, it says that it's actualized, it hasn't been changed. So this is what it makes better the Makefile. Thank you so much for your attention and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.